Welcome, I'm Kevin from Helpful Tutorials. Today we'll be reviewing this mirror, which is an anti-fog mirror. Now you may notice there is a little fog on it right now, and that does happen from time to time as the mirror gets older. I've had this mirror for over a year, but there's a way to get rid of it. All you do is clean it. Imagine that. So once you go through and clean it, it's pretty much back to new. You clean the lens here. And after this, next time you take a shower, it's not going to be fogged, and it'll probably be fine for about a month or two, and then it may go through and start to fog up again. So you have to constantly clean these to keep the anti-fog going. If you don't do that, they are going to fog up. A lot of people get upset with them and they're like, oh, they're junk, they fog up after like a few months. Well, yeah, they're going to, because all that residue is building up. But the mirrors are amazing. They go through and turn very easy. There's a place to go through and put your razor or whatever you need. Also, the suction cup has this extra power built in. Can't even get it off, it's that strong. So it's got a suction cup, and it's got a thing you turn to go through and tighten it, which is really nice. I have dropped this one, that's why it's damaged. I have had it over a long time. So go through and stick it on. Stick it here, and then it swivels really nice, a lot of different directions to where I need it. And I put it high because I'm 6'2", so I need it higher in the shower when I shave, and then I'm all set. So I really do recommend this. I think it's a great product, and I actually have two of them. I have one in both showers. My name's Kevin, and that's my review on the Fogless mirror. Thank you.
Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.